Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this top bun combos in DTI that will eat every time. So whether you're feeling effortlessly messy, ultra polished, sleek, or totally chic, these top bun hair combos are about to become your go-to DTI beauty hack. So this is the bun will look how the bun will look like. Let me show you how you can create this hair combo. So in here you just need to put on two hairstyles. The first one is this masculine hair, this one, the curly one. In here you can choose the color that you like and then use the adjustment feature and adjust the Y into 64 and the Z 71. So the hair will look like this now. And now click on the updo category and scroll down and use this hair. Choose the color that you prefer and you are done. So this is how the buns is created. So if you love this look, don't forget to hit like for more hair inspo. Subscribe and click on the thanks for daily DTI beauty hacks and drop a comment below. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!